These look like ordinary glasses, but I'm sure they're going to blow you away. These are the Noise I1 smart glasses. The first product of Noise's new venture, Noise Labs. So the first question arises, why did I buy them? Personally, I picked these up mainly because my ear surgery had just been done and it pained while wearing earbuds or headphones. So I was looking for an alternative when these popped up in my inbox. So what's inside the box? I'll just give you a peek into the contents of the box. There's a carrying case with the glasses inside, a pair of replacement lenses to help you when the sun is shining, a magnetic charging cable, and some paperwork. So here's the hero of the show. First of all, people who wear glasses to see properly, not just for style or fashion, need to know that these lenses provided in the box come without any power, but you can apply prescription lenses on it for your specific usage. They also give you replacement sunglass lenses in case you need to head out in the sun. These lenses come with 99% UV A and B protection and also have a blue light filter to reduce strain on your eyes. The case is also very interesting, so whenever I want to use my glasses, I remove them and keep them aside, and to make it extra portable, I can fold this up like this and this becomes a fraction of the size and I can store them easily. There are 16.2mm drivers present in each speaker which produce excellent sound quality. The sound is rich with a good treble, good bass and okay mids. I would definitely recommend these to anybody who is looking for a unique audio experience, moving away from the traditional headphones and earbuds. These provide a natural ambient mode as you can easily hear the person speaking to you while wearing these, and they too might be able to hear what you are listening to. They connect using Bluetooth 5.1, which is extremely quick and has a very good range of 10 meters, but I found out that it isn't that convenient because if I am sitting in one room and I get up and leave it while wearing my glasses and the device is in the other room, then because of a wall coming in between, it breaks the signal and it gets disconnected. Obviously, since they are glasses with inbuilt speakers, they come with the feature of hands-free calling. You can charge them in next to no time using its fast charging cable and insta-charge tech. Its battery life is better than I expected, lasting me for about 8 hours at max volume, while they are rated for 9 hours at 70% volume. As soon as you open up the glasses, you hear a sound like this. And yes, these also have multifunctional touch controls. A single tap on the left to decrease volume, a single tap on the right to increase volume, double tap on the left to go back to the previous song, double tap on the right to go to the next song, and a touch and hold to activate the voice assistant. Usually glasses weigh in around 20 to 40 grams, but this is substantially heavier at around 47 to 48 grams, so you might start to feel its weight on your ears after wearing it for long listening sessions. So in conclusion, overall, it is a really good piece of tech for a first gen device. If somebody from Noise is watching this video, please include multi-device connectivity as well as on-ear detection in the next generation. If you want to explore one of the most influential phones in the tech industry, the OnePlus One, then click here and I'll see you guys in the next video.